I'm going to show you how to create a simple pivot table. And pivot tables are useful for sorting data and filtering data. So I want this pivot table to start in cell H1. So I'm going to select H1, and then I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to select Insert, Pivot Table, and it's going to ask me what range of data do I want this pivot table to contain. And I would like it to contain all of this data right here, A1 through E8. Okay, and you can have it open up in a new worksheet if you would like, but for this one it's simple. I just wanted to open up right next to it, so I have it in the existing worksheet, and it asks the location, and because I had selected the location before I did insert, it puts it in here already. So it says that it's going to go on my pivot table tab on cell H1. So I just click OK here, and it gives me a blank pivot table. Okay, so that was easy, but what do we do with this? So I want to bring in name, and I'm going to bring it into the row over here. And I want to bring in last name, bring it into the row over here. And I want to bring in all of the revenue. So I'm going to bring it into the values over here. And that gives me a sum of all the revenues by first and last name. Well, that's pretty handy. But let's filter that by the last name. So let's move last name up into the report filter, which is up here. Okay. So now I can go through and select Johnson is the last name, and it tells me that Ryan Johnson had $1,500 in revenue. Real handy tool, real useful, but that's a basic setup of pivot tables.